Hello everyone, Interstate here. I just thought I've made something I haven't made on this channel in quite a while, maybe years. Cleaning the fan. And yes, I do know how to clean it now properly, and I do have a duster to speed up the process. The front just comes off just like so. And off with the blades too. Drop that there. And with this is kind of optional, but that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take that off and also set that there. And take the back off. This back also comes off just like so. Then you also have this, well, me actually, but this is also filled with lint. And I wonder if I take this screw off, I'm able to take this off so I can clean it too. In fact, that's what I'm going to do right now. Well, for what felt like a long while, I finally found it. So, I'll go ahead and get this off, if I can. Let's put it there so I don't forget it. And then this entire assembly, well, plastic cover should come off. There we go. Yeah, look how dirty that is. And the motor too. I think what I'm going to do is unplug it. Then we got no electricity going through it. Alright. And just dust the entire thing off. You can see there it's starting to come off now. Lint, if it gets warm, can increase the chances for a fire, I think. Go ahead. Make sure that's all cleared. And I'm going to do the same with this. As well as this. The blade. And the cover. I don't even know how well I'm getting that on camera. And then to make sure they're completely clean, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these parts next. Come with me. Okay, so there was one comment that stuck out to me, and it said to put the fan parts in water and wash them off, which I think is pretty effective. So that's what we're going to do here. Let's say about right here we have water going. And I forgot a scrub. So I'm just gonna use my hands. And we're just gonna scrub down every single part till it's completely clean. then I'm going to let the water go and make sure the rest of this dirt that's in the drain, well, in the tub, is completely gone. Well, it's kind of rinse. Let me move it over so y'all can see that. As well as rinse off the remaining parts a second time, just to make sure they're thoroughly clean. I don't know, I'm blocking the way, but yeah, this is how I do it. Why not with the fan again? Because why not? But yeah, I'm gonna go get a towel. One thing I ought to do now, sweep the lint up. Now, I'm going to get those parts. Alrighty. So now we have the parts. And this is the fan motor that was once very dirty, filled with lint. Let me make sure this is angled for y'all. Alright, and now what we're going to do now is assemble the entire thing. But make sure everything is completely dry. Just about everything on here is plastic, so I shouldn't have to worry about rusting or molding. This will dry up pretty quickly. Now we're going to put this screw back in. Alrighty, now that's back together. We can put the rest of the fan back together. Making sure each part is thoroughly dry. But once again, this fan here is plastic. But if you have a metal fan, I do really recommend you dry everything off to prevent rusting. But yeah, we're going to put this piece back on first. Then this right here. And for the blade, all good. And then this piece, obviously, very important to keep the blades in place. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then last but certainly not least, the cover. Which is optional if you want to. There we go. It's not 100% dry, but it'll definitely finish dry them through the process later tonight. Let's plug it back in. Let's see how smoothly it runs now for all 3 speeds. Here's 1. That is better. 2. Real nice, real nice. And now number 3. Which is just great. Let me take you guys off the tripod and get a good look at it. Good old look. All nice and clean now. Nice and clean. But I guess you can use this video as a tutorial or whatever to cleaning. But I just wanted to, yeah, y'all probably can't hear me with that noise. But yeah, y'all can use this as a tutorial if you want to. But I just wanted to show the process of completely cleaning this fan. As y'all can see, it blows stronger and it blows better. It is not being restricted by any lengths. But yeah, this was me cleaning my Lasko pedestal fan. I don't know what model it is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Share the video, like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I upload whenever I can. And see you in the next one. 95 out.